We're the original owners of the home. And it was getting old. It was at least 15 years old. The upstairs was much warmer, at least 4 or 5 degrees hotter than it was downstairs. Logan was recommended, and I started reading all the reviews on Google. So I actually ended up having 3 estimates. Logan ended up coming in even the most cost competitive. First off, the salesperson, I didn't feel like he was a salesperson actually. I feel like he was very helpful in understanding what our needs were. Second, the whole process of finalizing the estimate very quickly, and then the installation process itself. I mean, I was expecting high quality because Trane is one of the top in the industry. Very happy with the equipment, and Logan company seems very professional and seemed to care about my family and myself. You know, I talked to my neighbors, people at work, and I have strongly recommended Logan for the entire experience, as well as obviously the equipment. Just love how comfortable it is in the house right now, and the entire experience was fantastic. I definitely would recommend Logan.